In a tranquil meadow surrounded by swaying trees and a babbling brook, a cheerful young lamb named Lucas lived with his mother and fellow companions. Lucas was known for his gentle spirit and playful nature. He loved frolicking by the water's edge, nibbling on the lush green grass, and soaking in the warm sunlight. One radiant morning, as Lucas indulged in his usual merriment, he spotted a dark figure lurking nearby. It was none other than the cunning and hungry wolf named Winston. Winston had been observing Lucas from a distance, his stomach aching for a taste of tender lamb. Approaching Lucas with a sly grin, Winston greeted him, "Greetings, little lamb. I couldn't help but notice how your snowy white fleece glistens in the sunlight. It's unfortunate that it's getting muddied by this stream. Allow me to guide you to a clearer part of the water where you can keep your coat spotless." Lucas regarded Winston with a mix of curiosity and caution. He knew his mother had imparted wisdom about the forest's dangers, and his instincts warned him that something was amiss. "I appreciate your offer," Lucas responded politely, "but the stream here suits me just fine, and my coat doesn't mind a little mud." Quickly altering his tactics, Winston exclaimed, "Ah, I see you're feasting on the grass here. But did you know that down the stream, there's an even lusher and more delectable pasture awaiting you? Follow me, and I'll lead you to a feast fit for a lamb of your stature." Lucas paused, weighing his options. He recalled his mother's advice to stay close to their meadow and the potential danger that lay in the forest. Politely smiling at Winston, he replied, "I'm grateful for your suggestion, but my mother has taught me to stay within our meadow's borders. I'm content here, enjoying the grass I know." Growing impatient and driven by his hunger, Winston discarded his charade and bared his teeth. "Enough of this nicety," he snarled. "I'm not here for pleasantries. I'm here for a meal, and you're my target." Lucas's heart raced, yet he remembered his mother's teachings. In the face of danger, use your wits. Taking a deep breath, Lucas met Winston's gaze steadily. "Mr. Wolf," he began calmly, "I may be young and defenseless, but I can't fathom why you'd harm me. I haven't wronged you in any way. If it's sustenance you seek, plenty of other creatures in the forest might be easier to catch." Winston hesitated, his composure shattered by Lucas's audacity and calm presence. Lucas pressed on, "If you spare me, I pledge not to cause you any harm. Instead, we could be companions, and who knows, we might aid each other in the future." Moved by Lucas's courage and compassion, Winston's demeanor softened. He realized Lucas was right. There was no justification for harming an innocent creature. Ashamed of his initial intentions, Winston turned away and retreated into the shadows of the forest. As Lucas watched Winston's departure, he returned to his grazing by the stream, his heart still racing. He understood that intellect and empathy could transform even the direst circumstances. And Sir Lucas the lamb continued to live peacefully, cherishing the lessons he'd learned and sharing them with his meadow companions. His tale became a testament to the potential strength within the gentlest souls, proving that intelligence and kindness could prevail over even the most formidable challenges.